Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Studio 6 Myrtle Beach, SC. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests, 24-hour front desk and an elevator. Located just a 6-minute drive from the center of Myrtle Beach, this hotel features a seasonal outdoor pool and on-site laundry facilities. Every room comes with a kitchenette. A microwave, refrigerator, and stovetop come in each of the rooms at Suburban Extended Stay Myrtle Beach Hotel. A work desk, hairdryer, and cable TV with HBO are included. Fax and photocopying facilities are available at this Myrtle Beach Suburban Extended Stay Hotel. Other facilities include weekly housekeeping. Myrtle Waves Water Park is just under 1 mile from this hotel. Guests will be a 3-minute drive from Coastal Grand Mall and 2.5 miles from Ripley's Aquarium. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.